Why are brushless motor hair dryers popular? Imagine a tool that combines power, durability, and efficiency to give you salon quality results every time you style your hair. That is what many users experience with brushless motor hair dryers. These devices have gained significant popularity in recent years, and understanding the reasons behind this trend can help you appreciate their advantages. At the core of a brushless motor hair dryer is a motor design that eliminates the traditional brushes found in conventional motors. Instead of brushes and commutators, these motors use electronic controllers to switch the current in the motor windings. This design results in fewer moving parts, which translates into less mechanical wear and tear. As a consequence, brushless motors tend to last longer and requiring less maintenance over time. One of the key benefits of brushless motor hair dryers is their ability to operate more efficiently. Because there are no brushes to create friction, energy loss is minimized, allowing the motor to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy more effectively. This efficiency means the dryer can deliver consistent airflow and heat without consuming excessive power. As a result, users often experience quicker drying times and better control over styling. Another important factor is noise reduction. Traditional hair dryers with brushed motors tend to generate more noise due to the friction and mechanical contact involved. Brushless motors produce less vibration and noise because of their smoother operation. This quieter performance enhances the user experience, especially for those who prefer a more peaceful styling routine or need to use the device in shared spaces. Durability is also a significant advantage. With fewer parts prone to wear, brushless motor hair dryers are more resilient to prolonged use. This robustness makes them ideal for professional salons and individuals who style their hair frequently. Additionally, the reduced heat generated by the efficient motor can help prevent overheating, which further extends the lifespan of the device. In summary, the popularity of brushless motor hair dryers stems from their enhanced efficiency, longer lifespan, quieter operation, and overall reliability. These qualities make them a preferred choice for both professional stylists and everyday users seeking high performance and durability in their hair styling tools.